Video sales letters. They're easy, fun, and an important tool for your marketing. We all know the benefits to video sales letters. I'm not here to get into that today. I am here to tell you that you should try them. They may be just the thing to boost your sales. Now, I'm not going to give you a long diatribe about inflated claims, and I'm not going to tell you there's some secret technique. What I am going to tell you is this: you need to learn how to make video sales letters. I don't care if you use my product or another product, but you need this information, so get it somewhere. I have, however, created a nice, neat video sales letter package called Video Sales Letter Magic. Here's everything you get with Video Sales Letter Magic: creating a script, creating slides, recording the video, free software to get you started, how to market your new video, much, much more. If you are ready to start using one of the most powerful marketing tools on the internet, fill in your name in the opt-in box and provide us your email, and we'll get Video Sales Letter Magic sent to you immediately.